Hi guys, Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a solution to a problem on the Husky 450 and 501 models. So ever since they've switched to the Magura master cylinder and slave cylinder combination on those bikes, they've had problems with the slave cylinder failing. And I believe at the present time that Husqvarna is even out of the factory one, so they can't even replace it for you under warranty. A lot of them fail in the first 30 days. If yours has gone a long time, well then maybe you're okay. But this is made by Rekluse. The Husqvarna factory team, motocross team and supercross team asked Rekluse to make them these pieces. And so it's like all their other, it's very high quality, full billet. Comes with the banjo bolt, the bleeder, and the gasket. You know, it's a complete unit, and it will fix that problem, so you won't have another slave cylinder failure. We've been selling a lot of the adjustable ones to help guys out on this problem, but now we've got this one that's the non-adjustable, so it's basically just a direct bolt-on replacement item. I think it's about $159, and we've got them in stock, and I think that's all for now.